Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joseph. In today's video, I'm doing a shoot in the studio with Aisha, and we're doing the regular creative studio setup that we've been doing for a while now that you guys love. But today, I'm going to add more interest to the shot with color. And the way I'm going to do it is with this particular prop in the back. So you see I have this lovely prop right here, and I have put in some elements just to add more character to it, and we have a lamp in here. But the trick is, I'm not going to be using the bulb that came with this light. I'm rather going to be using the Aputure MC 11 light, and this is an RGB light, so you can go to any color in the world. You can program it that way, but the only colors I'm going to use are going to be the warm and the cool tone. So what I'm going to do is, when I choose the color for the lamp, I'm going to add a gel to this flash right here. So currently we have a blue gel on this speed light. It means it's going to spill a blue light all around this area. But what we are doing is picking something from what people do in the cinema, right? They have motivated light. So this light is going to come off as blue, but then you're going to think that it's that particular light that is spilling around this area and casting that blue tone, adding the color interest that I mentioned in the beginning. So again, we're going to do a cool tone here, and we're going to do a warm tone as well. And then you guys will see how we're able to add interest to our sets just by adding a little bit of color to our shots. So let me just quickly run through the lighting setup, and then we can start shooting. Okay, so my main light is in a 120cm deep parabolic softbox as usual. As you guys know, this is my favorite modifier. I use it all the time. If you want to purchase it, the link is down below. You can go through and purchase it. But that's also turned away from my subject, so it's not hitting her directly. Now, because we also have like a dark tone going on, I didn't want to use this reflector to bounce some of this light back onto my subject. Rather, I wanted to absorb the light, so we're not bouncing any white light back onto our subject. We're rather going to be soaking away that light or bouncing black light on here, which is just going to deepen the shadows around the side. So what I'll do is probably just move the reflector in a little bit so I know that it's very close to her, and it's just going to be bouncing that black light just to deepen the shadows in there to increase contrast. Now, once we are darkening this part of the frame, it means that we need to separate her from the background, because again, to that same direction, we have this black fabric coming all the way down. So if we don't find a way to separate her from the background, she's going to get lost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this rim light right here to add separation. So you're just going to go straight onto her to cut her out. So you'd see when I take the shots that her jawline, the shoulder and arm area is just going to have a kick of light in there just to separate her from this black backdrop. Now what this is also doing in the back is just adding another level of interest, drama, character, whatever you want to call it, to the shot. So basically that's the whole lighting setup. This, I know you might see it in the frame, but it's not doing anything. I just wanted to support the fabric just to prevent it from slipping, because they're very slippery fabric. So it's not really adding anything. But again, it's going with the color tone in here, the black and gold. It's just working well, but it's not a part of what we're doing. It's just adding a little bit of foreground element right here. And that is all that we're doing. Okay, I think it's time for us to start shooting, right? But before I do that, I just want to talk about my camera setups. I'm going to be using my Canon EOS R6, and I have my Atomos Ninja 5 attached to it. So this is just going to let you guys see my camera settings. So if I make any changes, you guys get to see it live, basically. And yeah, I think this is it. We can just start shooting so you guys see exactly what we're going to do today. So the nice thing about these Aputure lights is the fact that you can control them with an app. You can control it with the Siders Link app. So let me just turn on my screen recording so you guys would see it live. Okay, so I'm going to launch the Siders Link app right now and go to scene. So it's going to load all the fixtures that I have on. Currently I have the 300D and the MC on, but my interest is in the MC. So I'm going to select the MC light. Okay, so if I just go and just turn it on right now, you can see that the light comes on automatically. I don't have to go close to it, right? And then I can go to color and then choose any color that I want. So when I turn that on, I can cycle through all of this, even tap some of the presets they have, and the light responds accordingly. But right now, because we have a blue gel on our flash, I'm just going to choose a blue color, which is quite similar to the flash. Somewhere around there I think would work well, and now we're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by testing the lights just so we see what each one is doing in the frame, right? All right, so I've turned off my main light and the strip light. I want you guys just to see what's going to happen to the gel light that we have in the back. So take a test shot. So you can see we have that blue light just moving across the frame, and you think that is the lamp that is doing that job, but it's actually the speed light that is lighting that area. Okay, so now that I have my group B light on, I'm gonna turn on my group C light, which is the strip light, and take another shot. So Aisha, please look at me. Yeah. Perfect. So exactly as I was saying, you can see we have a little bit of light shining on her jacket, and then also a little bit over her cheek. So I'm just gonna increase that light a little bit. So from 1/16, I'm just gonna go up to 1/16.7. Take another shot. Perfect. So now you can see she's being separated from the background. So our main light is going to do the rest of the job and give us the exposure that we are looking for. So I'm going to turn on my group A light, which is my main light. And then now I'll take another shot. Perfect. So you see we have a lot of drama going on. So basically this is where I want to keep everything at. The only thing I'll adjust is going to be the reflector. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I want to get it a little bit closer to her. All right, that's good. So Aisha, now we're good to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on shooting. I love that. Aisha just gets into character easily. Stunning. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. Can you pull like your feet together? Yeah, then still have your, yeah, so you can tiptoe on one so it goes a little higher. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. I love. Stunning. And also because the light is coming from this direction, don't turn your face all the way to the opposite side. You can just angle it a little bit, or for the majority of the shot, you can be on the side. Yeah, perfect. Oh, I love. Okay, so I'm also noticing that the shadows under her nose and chin are quite deep. So one thing you can do is just lower your light, and that should just reduce the amount of shadows that you're getting. So let's just hope this gets us there. Okay, so let's just take a few more. Okay, yeah, I love that. Perfect. So you can see we are throwing more light on Aisha now, just reducing the shadows. Alright, so I think I have enough shots of the cool light going on, but now we're going to go for a warm tone, and you see how everything just warms up. So I'm just going to switch them real quick. And these are Magmod gels, so they are really easy to change. Just pop one out and then put the other one back in there. Okay, so now we've changed color gel to a warm tone. I'm just gonna launch the sliders link up again, and now just go towards the warm. I think something like that. Perfect. That is all I need. I'll take a shot and see if it matches the color in there. Now you can see that this warm tone has just changed the entire mood, and this is really lovely. Oh yeah, that's stunning. Beautiful. I love. Nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. You can see I didn't change my camera settings, I didn't change anything, but we are getting like really interesting shots. I love that. Well, I like the when you put your fingers together, so yeah, just keep your, yeah, just like that. Perfect. One more. Okay. Nice. Nice. Alright guys, so this is it for today's video. I hope you had fun watching us do all of these things, and also I hope you like the little twist that we added using the MC light instead of the actual bulb that comes with the lamp. You can see we added a lot of color and interest just by using an app to change the color to whatever we wanted. You can see how flexible that was. And yeah, if you loved the video, leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna try something like this, or let me know how you use your LED lights in your regular shoots. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. And remember, don't ever give up.